Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll explain a simple problem from Thevenin's theorem from electric circuit analysis as well as network analysis from module 2. So let us take a problem. So you can see using Thevenin's theorem, find current through 2 ohm resistor. You can see the 2 ohm resistor here. You need to find current flows to this resistor, that is this is nothing but load resistor. So Thevenin's theorem is nothing but whatever the circuit they are given, you need to convert that into equivalent circuit diagram of Thevenin's theorem, which consists of VTH is in series with RTH across load resistor. So you need to transform this circuit in this form. You need to get RTH is in series with VTH across load resistor. We know the value of load resistor now, that is, sorry, RL, that is nothing but 2 ohm. So that you need to find the value of VTH and RTH to get the value of current flows to 2 ohm, that is IL. Sometimes you can call that as I also. You need to transform the circuit diagram into the form which consists of VTH is in series to the RTH across load resistor. So Thevenin's theorem ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಕೊಡಲಿ, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್? VTH ಮತ್ತೆ RTH ನ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಲೋಡ್ ರೆಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಅಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋಸ್ ಲೋಡ್ ರೆಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ask you to draw only Thevenin's equivalent circuit. So ಇವಾಗ current flows to load resistor ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So the first step, you need to find the value of VTH. So VTH find ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? So load resistor ನ open circuit ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು voltage across that open circuit you need to find. That is nothing but replace these terminals or else load resistor. Which is load resistor now? 2 ohm. Replace this resistor or the terminals across this resistor by open circuit. That is 2 ohm is replaced by open circuit. Then you need to find voltage across that. So that voltage you can call that as open circuit voltage or Thevenin's voltage. So the circuit which looks like this for the case to find the value of VTH. So replacing the load resistor by open circuit, hence you need to find voltage across this open circuit, that is VTH. In some of the textbook they are calling that as a VOC, that is open circuit voltage, or you can also call that as a VAB notation, which is up to you. So how we are finding VTH, that is voltage across terminal A and B. Before that, look into the 4 ohm resistor. Open circuit it is, replacing the load resistor by open circuit so that current flows to the 4 ohm is 0 amperes. So voltage across 4 ohm is 0 into 4 is nothing but 0 voltage. This is also replaced by short circuit. So open circuit ಗೆ resistor ನ connect ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ, you can call that as a floating resistor. ಇವಾಗ floating resistor ಅಲ್ಲಿ current ಏನು flow ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, open circuit ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0 current flow ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ voltage across that 4 ohm is 0. So ಇವಾಗ VTH check find ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, VTH is nothing but, or VOC is nothing but, or VAB is nothing but 4 into 0 is 0. This will be replaced by wire. So VTH is given by 20 into current flows to this. I am assuming that I is flowing here. That is nothing but 20 into I is your VTH. So ಆಗ VTH find ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ I value ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು. So that what you are doing now. So let us say everything now. So now you need to find the value of VTH. This value VTH or VOC or VAB or VTH or VOC. It is given by 20 into I. Therefore, can see just by applying Ohm's law or else by applying KVL, you can get the value of current flows to 20 ohm. So you are applying current flows through applying KVL to find the value of current flows to the 20 ohm resistor, or else simply you can apply Ohm's law. 50 divided by 25 ಆದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ KVL apply ಮಾಡಿ. So you can get minus 50 plus 5 into I plus 20 into I, that is 25 into I equals to 0. If you are getting confusion, ಇದು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಓಪನ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಈ ರೆಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಆರ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ I is given by 50 divided by 20 plus 5 ಅವಾಗ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. 50 divided by 20 plus 5, that is nothing but 25. 50 divided by 25 is nothing but 2 amperes. Once after knowing the value of current, you can get the value of VOC or VAB or VTH, that is 20 into I, you can get 40 volts. This is the method to find the value of VTH. Next, you know, what is the equivalent circuit diagram? You need to transform this circuit in the form of equivalent circuit diagram of Thevenins theorem, that is VTH is series to RTH. So now we got the value of VTH, that is 40 volts. Next, you need to find the value of RTH. In some of the textbook, they can call that as R equivalent or RT. Across load resistor, you know the value of load resistor, that is 2 ohm. Current flows to this is I or IL. It is up to you the notations. So to find RTH, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? If there is a voltage source, that you have to short circuit. If there is a current source, that you have to replace by open circuit. Load resistor R ಇದೆಲ್ವಾ, ಅದು open circuit ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. Again, replace A and B by open circuit by short circuiting the 50 volt source. You can get the circuit like this. So to find RTH, we have to deactivate the independent voltage source in this circuit diagram. Accordingly, we get the circuit like this. 50 voltage is replaced by short circuit. Then the terminal is replaced by open circuit. So from this terminal, whatever you have, that you can call it as RTH. So it is nothing but 20 is parallel to 5 ohm. It is series to 4 ohm. So you can get RTH is nothing but the 20 is parallel to 5 ohm. That is series to 4 ohm. You can get 20 into 5 divided by 20 plus 5 plus 4. That is nothing but 8 ohm. So now the value of RTH is 8 ohm. So VTH you know, RTH you know, RL you know, we can easily get the current close to this, that is IL is given by VTH divided by RL plus RTH. That is nothing but 40 divided by 8 plus to 10. You can get 4 ampere is a load current. The same thing you can see here. This is a Thevenin equivalent circuit. VTH or VOC is series to RTH across the load terminal 2 ohm. You are applying KVL or simply ohms, like you can get the value of IL, that is current flows to the load is given by 40 divided by 2 plus 8, that is 4 amperes. So this is how we need to solve the Thevenin's theorem. It is very easy. If you are having any doubts regarding this, feel free to write in a comment box. I hope you like this video. Kindly share to the maximum people and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day and all the very best for your examination. Write everything, whatever you know. Don't leave trying. Keep trying until you get the answers. Thank you. Have a nice day.